You are most welcome to KAWA Uganda Introduction to Fieldwork Geography. Fieldwork is the scientific study of geography whereby pupils use the environment as laboratory and source of information to observe, collect, record, analyze, present and interpret for themselves the realities of the interaction between man and his environment. Importance of fieldwork. It enables one to develop the skills of observation, sketching, recording, interpretation of data and map reading. Translates theories learnt in class into reality, i.e., makes geography real. It is an important source of geographical data and knowledge. It encourages critical thinking. Facilitates in the updating of the existing data by showing changes that have taken place. Enables one to relate physical factors to human activities in a given environment. Enables students to get first-hand information on the environment around them. It helps one to acquire knowledge of data collection, research procedure, question formulation and how books are written. Avoids classroom boredom. Exposure to new points and use of instruments. Stages of fieldwork. Fieldwork study is carried out by an individual or as a group. There are three main stages involved in fieldwork study. These are 1. Preparation stage. 2. Carrying out the actual field study. 3. Follow-up stage. Preparation stage. The success of a fieldwork study highly depends on the thoroughness with which one plans the preliminary activities. These activities must be practical steps taken, not just preconceived ideas. These include 1. Pilot study must be taken. A pilot study is to visit the area of study beforehand or before the real fieldwork. A pilot study helps one to know the area of study very well so that the right requirements can be taken. The size of the area and the time it may take is well known. 2. Statement of the topic of study. The topic stated must be clear and specific, emphasizing the theme, what was studied and location, where the fieldwork study took place. 3. Formulating the objectives. The objectives of the fieldwork study should be related to the topic of study. Such objectives should be clearly stated, specific, feasible, measurable and achievable within the prescribed time. A standard way of stating will start with the words like to find out, to suggest, to identify, to establish, to discover. Words like to understand, to know and to appreciate cannot be used because they are measurable. For example, 1. To find out the historical background of the area of study. 2. To find out the factors that favored its location. 3. To find out the economic activities carried out in the area of study, etc. 5. Development of methods to be used. This largely depends on the topic. 6. Collection of instruments, tools. 7. Dividing the participants into groups. The activities in this stage should be chronologically arranged. Carrying out the actual fieldwork study. After all the preparations are done, the actual fieldwork study can be carried out on the decided date. During this period, data should be collected and recorded. It involves the application of methods to collect data in the field. For example, observation, interview, questionnaire, recording, sketching, etc. Follow-up stage. Back from the field, there is need to review what was discovered in the field. The following activities do take place in this stage. 1. Organization of data collected. 2. Analyzing of data collected. 3. Interpreting data collected, the geographical relationships. 4. Comparing present and past geographical information. 5. Compiling of results, drawing sketch maps and diagram. 6. Drawing up conclusions and recommendations. 7. Dissemination of results to relevant stakeholders. 8. Final writing of report. This video was prepared by Moses Wamanga and Peter Matsanga.